All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day PulseWave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. All right, so starting off with Bitcoin. Now, looking here at this chart, you don't see it, but it's pronounced. But on the cash market, we had a major bearish spike low that dropped the market quite low. You can't really see it here, but the market remains in a neutralized position. This is starting to drag on for some time, so still doing nothing right now. But that spike low goes all the way down to 26,000, and that means that within the next hour, if the market settles like right where it's at, it's going to be a major bearish pointer. And that's letting you know that the market in the near future will be falling below 26,000. So that's just something to think about as we're moving forward. But the market's still neutralized, so I'm not touching that yet. Looking at silver, silver's still in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and the market did pull back a little bit, but we're still in a narrow range. So the market's holding in there. We had this crash alert. Today is day 3. We got no downside production yet. So it's still time because, like I said, these indicators can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. All right. The last bar like that we had was here, and we got that um, market move within 3 days. It did head higher. Now we got this crash alert. So we're going to see. We're going to see what happens. But right now it is looking that the market may have to come down here and test this $24 to $23 range. So we're going to keep our eyes on it. But there's also a possibility that the market can relock in and the bull market can reclaim the price action and the market starts trending higher. So we're watching that. We're watching the 2650 zone and we're watching the current zone where it's at. So we'll see what happens as we move forward in silver. Taking a look at nat gas, it is still in a bullish trend momentum reading, but the market really isn't heading higher. We had a rally alert, but still no real upside production. The market moved a little bit lower today, but we have a rally alert for tomorrow, for tonight into tomorrow's trading. So we'll be watching nat gas. Not time to get involved yet. Next up is the Dow futures. And we still have a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And it looks like the market is getting closer to coming down here to test the 33,000 level. And that's what we're waiting to see, how the market responds to this, because right now it's just totally stretched out, narrow range, and hardly any kind of movement whatsoever. Major consolidation, north of the Kumo cloud. So we'll see what happens, but still has a bearish bias because of the red bearish trend momentum reading. Next up is the NASDAQ 100, and it has a bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading, ladies and gentlemen. Has a bullish trend momentum reading. So the market has reclaimed the NASDAQ, and we had a rally alert coming into today, and the market did give upside production. So we're looking for a continuation of this. We're looking to see if the NASDAQ can push above 13,500. And we'll see if the NASDAQ can set the course to make the Dow and S&P follow suit. All right, next up we got gold futures, and gold is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. We had this crash alert with day 3 into it, just like with silver, and the market is not giving any downside production. So we're still waiting to see what happens. We still got 2 more days to see is the alert going to come to pass, or is the market going to do something rare, which it has does sometime, ignore this and break out to new highs and change this red line to a green one. We shall see. We're watching and waiting. Next up, we have the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is in a bull market now, but it has a bearish trend momentum reading. And the 4,000 level is the psychological trend line support and Kumo Cloud support. And we're waiting to see what the market's going to do. Either the bull market's going to reclaim the price action or the market's going to rally. So we're waiting to see what happens here too. A lot of standstilling right now in some of these markets. Crude oil has a bear market reading, but it has a bullish trend momentum reading. And we are 2 days now waiting for the rally alert to materialize. We have not gotten any upside production. The 73 barrier, we'll call it $73, $74 area, top of the Kumo Cloud resistance is keeping the price action at bay for the moment. Market's having a tough time getting above 74. 74 is the first layer, 75 is the second. So right now we'll see if the price action can blow past it and do what it do, or is it going to succumb to the current resistance zone and then fall and take out the bearish pointer. So we're kind of like in a hurry up and wait moment in some of these securities right now. The Russell is in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. I'm sorry, a bullish trend momentum reading. And it had the rally alert. And this is the second day. We did finally get upside production, but the market quickly retreated after touching the bottom of the Kumo Cloud initial upside resistance. So 1800 is proving to be a tough overhead resistance zone for the Russell to break through. If it can break through, then it should quickly be able to get to 1850 and then even possibly 1900. So we'll see if the Russell can get bullish here, or is it going to fail? And that is the big $1 million question, right? So we're waiting. Hurry up and wait is where we are. US dollar index still in a bear market, still has a bullish trend momentum reading, still moving sideways. 101 support, 103 resistance, and the market has chosen to do nothing yet. But we still do have this positive bot check, but we haven't seen the explosive upside surge yet. So again, it is coming, it's imminent. Please be careful if you're short in this market. Next up is Ethereum, and you can see the Ethereum futures is in the bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading that turned into a neutralize. So we're now, we just completed day 3 of a neutralized market. Market got neutralized back here and had 4 days in the neutral zone before coming out with a rally alert and then a nice explosive upside rally that then fizzled out. And then we had another rally alert coming into today. The market gave a little bit of upside production, but again, this is a neutralized market. So technically speaking, none of these alerts really matter when you're in a neutralized market. That's why I like to stand aside these markets. I step aside and wait for them to come off neutralized. Then I start making my decisions and getting involved. But right now, it's not time, not in a neutralized market. All right, folks, so that's what it is. We're still in alert week where we had the CPI today. I forget what it is tomorrow. We got something coming out tomorrow, and then I think jobless claims or something on Friday, whatever it is. So this is the week of reports. So stay vigilant. And remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out, and salute to you, James, in the live chat. Peace out. Don't forget to smash that like button.